Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can share any file or folder to anyone in the same network. So if you want to share any file or folder, you can do it easily, and if the other people is on your same network, then you both can share your file or another person file easily. So let me show you how you can change it, how can you share it, or how can you do it. Okay, first you need to go your my PC, my computer. Okay, once you are here, now you have to select which file or folder you want to share. Like if I want to share this ESD folder, then I need to right click on this folder and then go click on properties and then go to this sharing button, share it, and then click on share. If you click it share, then it will ask for permission. Here you can give the permission. You can click on this share this folder and then give the permission for full control or only change or read, then click on apply and then OK, and then again apply and then OK, close. Now this is your this folder is shared. Anyone in your same network can access this folder. If you want to unshare it, then click on properties and then click on these properties and then go to sharing button and then click on share and click on advanced sharing and then untick this and apply. It will unshare, I mean it will not share anymore. Just click on apply and then OK, and it is safe for any other person. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video will help you. Now you can share any file or folder yourself. Bye.